solve the Rubik's Cube in layers. We use 3 main steps or 3 main layers. First, we solve the white face, then we solve the middle layer, then we solve the yellow face, or the third layer. So we solve the white layer, the middle layer, and the yellow layer. To solve the white layer, we have to make a white cross, like this. You can see the white cross. To make the white cross, first you have to find the white edge pieces. So remember, the edge pieces are these pieces. So pieces with 1 white piece in them. For example, here we have white and blue. Here we have white and orange, white and red, and white and green. So we're going to solve white and blue first. So the first thing you want to do is get the white piece to the yellow face. So we're going to make a daisy. So we have the white piece in the yellow face. The white and blue piece is in the yellow face. Next, we're going to find another piece. Here we have a white and orange piece. So we're going to get this to the bottom layer. Now we have one more. Here we have a white and red. Again, we're going to do the same thing. Get it to the bottom layer. When you're trying to get the pieces to the bottom layer, make sure that you don't disrupt the other pieces. For example, this piece is right here. If I want to bring it to the bottom layer, I can go like that, but when that happens, we're moving the white and blue piece out of the yellow layer. So we do not want that. So one thing I can do is move this up and then move this out of the way. Let me show you again. So this piece, we're going to do right, and we're going to do back, and then we're going to turn this back down. So now this piece is up here. So we can turn it here and then turn it all the way down. So we formed a daisy. This is called a daisy. Next, you want to line up the edge pieces with the centers. For example, we have a white and blue edge piece here. You want to turn the Rubik's Cube so that these two match up. And then you want to turn it all the way around so that it lines up with the white face. Again, so we're going to find the green piece. We're going to match it up and then turn it all the way around so that it lines up here. Then for the other pieces, let's see. Here we have a white and red piece. We're going to turn it so that it matches up with the center here, and then turn it all the way around. And at last, the orange piece, it's already matched up, so we can just turn it up. And we've made the white cross.